Hi everyone, welcome back to the revision station. Today we're going to make negative questions with the present simple. Let's make it simple and fun. We use the present simple for habits, routines, and facts. We also use it for general questions. Put don't or doesn't before the subject. Don't is used with I, you, we, they. Doesn't is used with he, she, it. But why do we make questions with the negative? Let's see what it means. Surprise or doubt. Checking or confirming information. Something you think is true. It's quiz time. Say the sentence out loud. Great work today. Write your own negative questions in the comments. If you found this helpful, please subscribe for more. See you next time.